Morning everyone. So today we're gonna bolt the rear axle up, get the back plates on, and then we're gonna go up in the field, get that other axle down, see if we can't get that hub off the other side, and then because Matt's coming next weekend hopefully, so if I can get that other hub off, get that ready, and then hopefully when he comes we can smash it all out in a day and get all the hubs and everything back on. Fingers crossed. But we'll just see how we go. So yeah, we'll start bolting that up now and go from there. Side back plate bolted on. This axle's a bit different because instead of like the rest where they're threaded into the stub axles, these are actually nuts and bolts. So got to get a spanner on the inside, which was a pain to come off, but obviously it's a lot easier to put back on. So yeah, got that side on, go over to the other side, put the other side on, and then hopefully go and get that axle out the field. I mean, it is raining now, so hopefully we won't make too much of a mess up there. Alright, here we go then. It's already, hopefully, don't make too much mess. Drop him up then. Just absolutely tipped down for about 2 hours. I should have come up here earlier really. Never mind. Really job late. Right. Is the answer to that. It's going to be heavier one side. Stuck on. Trouble with them, they do swing about. I'm stuck on it now. plate. That's better. Well, I've got him sat now. I put a strop round there, picked him up on the axle, then sat him on the brake drums and timber. It's a pain in the ass to sit down because obviously they pivot. Just hit the wheel with a sledgehammer twice and he's come off, so quite pleased with that. So yeah, I'll just undo the nuts. I've squirted them all up with WD-40, but whether that make a difference. So now we've got a proper gun. So just have to go along with one of these. Moving 20 people, but I said, oh, can we squeeze 23 on there? They said, yeah, we can do that. So that's what they're doing, yeah. Yeah. Okay, so we've just drilled out the Allen keyholes because they won't come out. So I'm just going to try my luck and put these bolts in and see if I can get the hub to break off with the nuts. Bolt, sorry. I don't know how lucky I'm feeling. I've got that one up tight. I don't know what they'll do. Let's do this one up. No way. No way. These have been sat in the field for 4 or 5 years now, is that? And it's been sat under a hedge for however long, 20 odd years I suppose. These are probably still original drums. What do you reckon of that, Raven? He just cracked off. Hey? What do you reckon of that? I cannot believe that. I honestly thought I was going to be here for hours. Oh, still might be, don't tempt fate yet. We ain't gotten off yet. Well, a few taps of the hammer and she come off. And how's all that? So it's from living in here. The looks of it. Yeah. Right, so we'll grab that hub off. In theory. We've bugged that up. Cheers, mate. Take that off. See what we got to do. And yeah. Well, so far that has come off a lot easier than I thought. I thought this is going to be an absolute nightmare. Seems to have been sat there for so long. But yeah, get that off now. Oh, the stench of old grease. Well, there's plenty of grease in there anyway. Alright, we'll have to scrape all that off. I'll go and get a little box and we'll scrape all that off and then see if we can't get this locking nut off. Yummy. Yet again, hang on, let me get a light for you. There's been some chisel action again. Right there. And right there. So this has been off in this time. So yeah. That's annoying. Oh yeah, and the bottom there, look. Oh well. That's why I can't get me nut on. I'll have to sort that out before we can do any more. Right. See. Well, put a big bar on there, expecting it to be tight. And obviously not. See if I can get that off, because the chisel marks have trapped it a little bit. Late. So that. Locking tab. Space out. Right. In theory, Raven, that should come off. Maybe. Well, I'm fucked. Yeah, there's a bearing. Bearing. And then 1, 2, 10. Lovely job. There we are, Raven. That's all I wanted. Was a hub. I'll take that off. Have that. Okay, so I'm just going to finish bolting these up. I got these new bolts. They're 10.9s, not 12.9s like what the rest of them are, but because I only need 3 each side, I've put all the 12.9s all the way around the outside apart from one, and then the 2 in the middle are going to be these, but I think that'll be fine. So just finish all that off. Copper grease. Washer. There we go. That's that side. Bolt up. See? Lovely job. Just finish that side off. Just 2 more to go in there and then that's done. Alright, let's just put this axle down here. No, I'm not going to go back out in the field because it's rained again, so I'm going to put it inside. So I'm going to put it down now. Right down as far as I can go. So first gear. On the doggy. Normally reversing now. I've never driven down here before. But now I reckon, right, well, I bought the brake drum with me, so I can put that right. Mind out, Raven. Come here, come here, come here. Go on. Late. I gotta sit that on there like that. I reckon. Hey dog, I was sitting on there. Sitting on that. Then he can swivel, do whatever he likes, ain't can I? Good go, Raven.